Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to turn off ChatGPT training data. So what this means is normally ChatGPT has access to your chat history and you can go over your chat history and use them to train their future models. So one way of maintaining your privacy, disabling this feature, and this also limits how much information the company has on you. So to start, go ahead and sign in to ChatGPT and we're going to want to navigate to the settings panel. We can find this by clicking on our account icon at the bottom left hand side of our screen, clicking on settings, and then navigating over to data controls. So as you can see here, there are already a few options, and at the very top, improve the model for everyone. So if you go ahead and click this, you're going to see this toggle button, which is normally on, and you can click on it to turn it off. So once that's done, ChatGPT will no longer be able to use your chat history in future model training. So it's really that quick and that easy. And that's pretty much it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.